In this video, I'll show you how to use options for income on the Robinhood web version step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Before you begin, make sure options trading is enabled in your settings. Once you're on the dashboard, use the search bar to find a stock you're interested in and open its page. To generate income, one common method is selling covered calls. If you already own at least 100 shares of a stock, click on Trade and select Trade Options. Choose an expiration date, then pick a higher strike price and select Sell Call. This allows you to collect a premium while agreeing to sell your shares at that price if assigned. Review the premium. Click Review Order and submit it. Another method is selling cash-secured puts. Go to the options chain, choose a lower strike price, and select Sell Put. This lets you collect a premium while agreeing to buy the stock if it drops to that price. Make sure you have enough buying power to cover the purchase. Review the details and submit your order. You can repeat these strategies over time to generate consistent income. Just monitor your positions and manage risk carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.